Welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes Book Summary. Today we are going to explore the book, Creation, Life and How to Make It. It is a book written by Steve Grand that explores the concept of artificial life and how it can be created. The book is an informative and engaging read that delves into the complex world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics. The book starts by introducing the reader to the concept of artificial life and the reasons behind its creation. Steve Grand argues that the creation of artificial life is an essential step in our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. He also highlights the potential benefits of artificial life, such as solving complex problems, creating new forms of entertainment, and even exploring the depths of space. The author then goes on to explain the science behind creating artificial life, discussing the various techniques used in the field of robotics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Steve Grand stresses the importance of interdisciplinary approaches to creating artificial life and the need for collaboration between scientists from different fields. The book also explores the ethical considerations that come with creating artificial life. Steve Grand discusses the moral implications of creating a new form of life and the responsibility that comes with it. He argues that it is crucial to approach the creation of artificial life with care and respect, just as we do with the natural world. One of the most interesting aspects of the book is the author's use of anecdotes and personal experiences to illustrate his points. Steve Grand provides examples of his own experiments and projects, which help to bring the science to life and make it more accessible to the reader. The book also examines the history of artificial life, tracing its roots back to the early days of computing and exploring the evolution of the field over the years. Steve Grand highlights the major breakthroughs and milestones that have occurred in the field and the impact they have had on our understanding of artificial life. The author also discusses the challenges that come with creating artificial life and the potential obstacles that scientists may face in the future. He highlights the need for continued research and development in the field and the importance of exploring new avenues of research. Overall, Creation, Life and How to Make It is an informative and thought-provoking read that provides an in-depth exploration of the field of artificial life. The book is well written and accessible, making it suitable for both scientists and non-scientists alike. Steve Grand's personal experiences and anecdotes help to bring the science to life and make it more engaging for the reader. The book is a must-read for anyone interested in the field of artificial life and the potential it holds for the future.